Hello, 6th grade. Today's video is for the May 24th homework, which is more interpreting coordinates. So on the top, I'm just kind of interested to see what you think. I do want you to notice that I want you to do two things. I want you to write the coordinate pair for Friday. So that's going to be in parentheses as an XY. And then I want you to tell me what it means, right? This is not the right answer. You could write, again, this is not the right answer. I'm not even looking at the graph. 1525, and then you would write 15 pizzas, 25 kids, right? That might be 15 pizzas get split between 25 kids, right? This is not the right answer. I did not even look at the graph. Don't write this, but that's an example. You need both things. You would need the coordinate pair, and you would need to tell me what both numbers mean. One very small thing that I think a lot of kids are missing, it's small, but it's also pretty huge. Up on the top, it says it's showing the relationship between the length of the eruptions and the wait time before it began. So you should be talking about the length of the eruption and how long they had to wait before they saw it. All right, but I really want to look at the second one. A coach collected data on his baseball players. The points show shoe size and the number of runs scored this week by 4 of his players. It seems a little bit silly to compare shoe size to runs, right? Runs are kind of like points, right? Shoe size to points are runs. But that's what this coach decided to do. So the first question says, which player wears a smaller shoe than Cameron wears, a smaller shoe size? So I'm going to find Carmen. I'm going to find Carmen. And I'm going to look across and I'm going to say 11. Kind of feels like 11. Carmen wears a size 11. But if I look back at what it said on the y-axis, that says runs. That means Carmen scored 11 runs or 11 points. So that's the wrong direction. Instead, I'm going to look up and down. So here's shoe size. Looking over on the x-axis, it says shoe size. So Carmen wears a size 10. So where are all the sizes that are less? It's all the numbers less than 10 down here on the x-axis. So whoever's dot is above those numbers has a smaller shoe size. So one of those people is Jason. I'll write that down, maybe with blue. Jason, and I'm going to look and see what size Jason wears in just a moment. The other person is Paulo. Right? So Jason wears, so if I look at Jason now, and I go down from Jason, Jason wears a size 4. And Paulo wears a, looking down, size 5. So there are 2 people here. There's Jason, size 4, and there's Paulo, size 5. All right. Now the next one says, which players have scored more runs than Paulo? So I'll go back, put Paulo here. There's Paulo. And it looks like the answer is 5, but you might remember that this number on the bottom actually means shoe size. So instead of looking on the bottom, we need to look at the up and down. We need to look at the y-axis. And if we look up, then it's runs. So who scored more than 5? So if we're looking at scoring more than 5, then this time we're looking at the up and the above. So you need to write down who that is, and then write down how many runs they've scored as well. All right, good luck. Don't forget to go back and do the first problem too. Write that coordinate and also write what it means. See you in class tomorrow.